Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to take some normal leaves and dry them out super quickly without having to use a flower press and leave them for a couple of weeks. You can literally do this in minutes. So it's really simple. You just take a dried leaf, you place it inside a piece of paper. So if it's a small leaf you can put it inside a paper, fold it over so the leaf is in the middle of it, or just put it in the middle of two pieces of paper. You want to make sure the stem's cut off. So we're going to fold the paper over and we're going to iron it. So because this leaf is really thin, I'm also going to use some parchment paper or greaseproof paper, and I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to iron it so it's on a medium setting, and I'm just going to slowly iron it, and this will make all the moisture evaporate out, or come out of the leaf, and it will go on to the paper, but then because it's hot it'll evaporate. You want to turn it over and do this, and it will eventually dry out completely. So you don't want it on a super high heat because it will discolour the leaf quite a lot. That's why I'm putting the baked parchment on this one, because if it was like one of the really thick leaves I might actually just iron straight onto the paper because it won't damage it quite as easily. So just check it every so often, and if it's not dry, iron it some more until it is. So this will literally, it won't even take 5 minutes, and when it's done you know when it's done because it will be completely dry. It will be pretty much like paper. You'll be able to feel how thin it is, and it won't be like all floppy. And that's it, you're done. And so you can use this for things like scrapbooking, making cards. Another thing I've done with them, which is slightly different, is I've painted on them. So this is one I've done before. It's not completely covered in paint, this one, I just painted in the middle. And I'll be doing a tutorial for that as well. Again, it's just a simple process of doing it. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!